Hello, monster friend. How are you? In the previous pill, I talked about multiple declaration of variables. Now, finally, as the last pill about variables in pill 21, I will talk about using the underscore as a variable. Example 22. Mr. Charles is a very suspicious man. Whenever someone offers him some calculation, he likes to check the account to make sure he isn't being scammed. For that, of course, he uses Python. He redoes the calculations but doesn't want to do anything with the result. Just check that everything is right. How does he do it? I created 3 variables to check if the installment amounts are really equal to the cash value. In a small code like this, you may not see much benefit in using underscore. But in larger codes, sometimes we just want to check one count and we don't need to store the resulting value in any variable. I make a formula by multiplying the amount of installments by the number of installments and I get the desired answer. Again, I use the built-in print function, write a small text and complete it with the calculated variable in this underscore. Ready! The cash and term values are the same. Mr. Charlie is calmer and so are we. Well, that's it for now. I will see on the next appeal. Bye bye.